This is MAKEWAY. It will make you feel things. This is joy. This is frustration. This is satisfaction. And this is pride. MAKEWAY is a modular magnetic super puzzle. It attaches to any metallic surface and doesn't take any floor space. It can be created here or here, at your home, outside, or your office. This, by the way, is procrastination. MAKEWAY is made of 8 different tracks and 15 different tricks. Each track and each trick has its own unique moves. How to set them up is up to you, and the configurations are endless. Take the spinner for example. With one ball, it spins. That's fun, but put another one and you get a path creator. Put 3 balls and you got a show. Add a lift at the end of your path and you got a perpetua mobilia. The lift is also modular, so you can make it longer and longer and longer. This is amazement. MAKEWAY is created by these 2 guys. They have backgrounds in woodworking and industrial engineering. They wanted to create a super unique and engaging design piece. They wound up with a stunning system of modular, compatible units that they just can't keep their hands off. So if you want to partake in the joy and excitement that comes from building a unique path, then building another one and another, get MAKEWAY. It's so much fun.